Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ulchero of Levitate Style. Today I'm going to talk about what I typically bring to the gym. So if you guys have been watching my Insta stories, I have been hitting the gym pretty hard, just trying to come back from all the recent travels and getting back into shape. And of course summer is coming, but been putting in the extra work, kind of paying off. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on what I typically wear to the gym, what I bring to the gym. So let's get right into it. So first of all, I always bring a jacket. So I think when it comes to the gym and also in fashion, I love layering. You want to make sure you're keeping yourself warm. You're not shocking your body going from a cold temperature into a really warm inside. So for me, I always like to bring like a thin hoodie or jacket. I also like to warm up in this, and so it kind of brings my body up to the regular room temperature, warms my body up correctly, and then I can jump into my real workout. And that kind of brings me into the bottoms. I really like to wear tights underneath. It really keeps my legs warm, especially for like full body workouts. So I like to layer wearing these with shorts. And of course, if it's too hot, you don't wear them. But for me, for the most part, I really like wearing these. Keeps my legs warm throughout the workout. And of course, you gotta bring a gym bag. I really like this duffel bag because it is waterproof. This is great for the weather, regardless it's raining, snowing in New York City. This is perfect for me. It's light. Let's see what I have in my bag. First, gotta stay hydrated. Water bottle. Got my protein shake ready to go before or after the workout. Gotta smell clean. This I've been using this for years. It's perfect. I like to bring one of my favorite scents, the Hugo Boss tonic. This is perfect for after a shower and just really refreshing scent. Oh, and of course, shoes. So in the video, you saw me wearing these guys. I picked these up a few years ago. I really like this just because it says just do it on the shoes. So anytime I'm working out, I'm getting really tired, I look at the shoes and boom, just do it. Keeps me motivated. And I also have these guys, the Nike Freeze from a few years back. These have been really good for me, so I've been using these. Definitely want to check out some of the newer sneakers that are out there right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Peace.